the hell is this?
Is that Brondo stuff?
They're watering crops with a sports drink?
Yo, what is going on? Got the tires mounted up. Got a little bit of purple on them, as you can see right there. Added some more purple to these mofo receivers, or servos, sorry. A little bit, you can see it there. Anything that was white on it and silver, kind of gave it a little dab of purple with that thing right there. But I'm thinking these Baja Pro X look way cooler. Like, this thing looks like a rock bouncer now. I am really liking it. Yep, these are some of the coolest, gnarliest tires I think you can get. Other than those guys, of course. Those are pretty sweet. But I think these take the cake for aggressiveness. So it's raised it up a little bit. Still got sweet flex. Nothing's rubbing. As you can see, it's really wide. It's close. You can see that right there. Gets really close. But I think this is going to be awesome for climbing. Especially on the outdoor course there. That wood and dirt. These are going to eat it up. Like, those guys there did pretty good, but they don't have deep lugs. As you can see, it's not very deep, so these are like amazing on rock. They're pretty good on the carpet too, but this is like that guy down there. When I had it out on the hills, those things were just chewing it up. They have so much depth to them in comparison to most other tires this size. Yeah, I'm thinking that's pretty wicked. That's a great little rig right there. So I'm gonna run down what I actually have in this thing. Alright, so here's the list of what I've got going on. We got two Mofo Black Label servos. We have the Stinger combo. The battery is a Gens Ace Adventure 400. It's really small. Let's see if I can pull it out of there quickly. I do have it taped so it stays, or velcroed in. Come on, get out. Oh, I took all the labeling off so it looks black. But it's really small, really tiny, works great, lasts pretty freaking long actually. Receiver from the Ax24. We have the Lizard Pro up here that goes with the Stinger combo. We have the Kangaroo chassis from Endura. I think it's one of the coolest looking. Gets everything nice and low. Tire, I don't know if you can see that right there. Yeah, there we go. You can see that. Those are the Gladiator links. On the back I have 58 mils. On the front I have 48 mils. Shocks, that is. We have Endura brass wheels. Any kind you like, doesn't matter, whatever your preference is. We have some, this is an Endura steering arm. Get that, there are brass knuckles. I'm not sure what kind, you can get whatever, they'll all work. On both ends. Endura skid plate. Endura metal Gladiator link drive shafts. What else do we got going there? The tire steering arm that came with it. What else? What else is in this thing? I think that's pretty close to it. Oh, the stock axles. So the only thing stock from the AX are the axles and this receiver. Other than that, everything's been switched out. I am thinking of getting either Moose Racing, Moose, they don't know how to frickin' use English, or some Super 8s. I like the look of the Super 8s, that silver looks pretty good. It's kind of the same color as this wheel in here, this gray bronzed. I dig it. Really good steering angle too, so that'll help improve performance. I can't really think of anything else. Nothing's jumping out right now. So right now this rig is sitting just over $900 with the AX price included. And that's Canadian. So if you're American, you're going to save probably $300 building one of these. And the performance is nuts. Like, look at this angle it can get before it falls. Like, there's so much weight in these wheels. Like, it's a heavy rig. It's just shy of 600 grams. I took off the wheels today and weighed it. So this thing only does 400 grams. As you can see right, let's see if it'll zoom in there. Right here it says 400 grams. It won't go over that, so you have to kind of take your wheels off and weigh the chassis and then weigh the wheels and do some maths. So easy. But yeah, this thing is this is probably the craziest rig I have next to the Gladiator. I think the Gladiator lengths are the best. This thing does lack though in the middle, so you can see it will get caught up, but because it has four-wheel steering, it can get over most things that the belly gets caught on. Where the JLU, the C10, I'll just show you quick here. You can see how much clearance they get when these guys come in. Like, you get over most bumps with that thing, but they can't climb like this or the Gladiator can. Just that extra few millimeter length is next level. So I'm gonna make got another day off tomorrow. I'm either gonna make another vid of this thing going on the carpet mountain, or I'll do that tomorrow. Not sure yet. Probably tomorrow. Yeah, I'm really liking the look of that thing right now. Like, that is just frickin' sweet. And then I'm going to, I think I'm gonna leave the carbon fiber black like this, kind of like the way carbon fiber looks. I was gonna take a marker and kind of make it like blacker, kind of like this, and then do that crazy nail polish metallic-y lowrider boat paint. I really like this stuff because of how small the flecks are, especially in size comparison to this. Like, if you get normal paint, I feel the flakes are too big for scale. So I really like the way the nail polish works. Well, yeah, that's the next little upgrade on this thing. And it does give it just a little bit more height, so I wonder how it's going to climb now. Because, yeah, you start changing tire size and it throws off your climbing geometry big time. I noticed the Ax came with 64 mil tires. These guys over here. So you can see they're a little bit bigger. And its climbing ability was garbage. Like, it just rolled. It was just a rolling machine. Like, if you have anything the JLU size, like the C10, the JLU, I think the Deadbolt's the same way. Don't go big tires. You can't climb anything. I see so many guys getting big tires on something that short, and it sucks. I don't think you should be going over 64 mils if you want to climb. Like, this guy over here can climb insane with those things. Like, it does so well, but it is on portals, so it does struggle with that too. It raises it up, but yeah, there's just another quick look at the Kanga Ax. This is, I think, the coolest rig I've ever seen and used. Not like I've used other people's rigs, so I'm kind of limited to the 4 that I have, and I'm totally biased. I really like the way this thing looks. I think it's one of the coolest rigs I've ever seen. And Brian Koshner, B. Koshner on YouTube. If you want to see other rigs that are just like this or better, in your opinion, check out his channel, because he makes some of the coolest rigs. Cleanest looking too. They're beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful rigs. So BCHOENCHER, I believe his name is. Check that channel out. He's got some sweet, sweet rigs. And totally worth subbing to. Because he does not skimp out on parts. He buys the best of the best parts. Yeah, check him out. Anyway, later.
And tomorrow night looks even more better. Word is that Beef Supreme himself might come out of retirement.